Okay, so my name's Kalisha and we're doing the rent-to-rent service accommodation HMO training this week.
Fantastic. How's it been?
It's been really good. The information's been unreal. I feel like I've learnt so much even just after the first day. It's a lot of information and it's intense, but it's so valuable.
What's been the best thing about this event?
I think being around a network of people that we're all trying to do kind of the same thing, something similar. We're learning from each other, being around the mentors, coaches, and people that have actually moved forward within property.
Speaking of that, so in the room for the last 4 days, people have been on the phones, have been
Yes.
What's it been like? Have you seen anyone getting deals?
I've seen people getting viewings for properties that they have been wanting to get. I got one myself today, so we went off in groups, phoning up agents, landlords, and both of us in our peer managed to get a viewing, which is great. So yeah, the atmosphere is really good.
So what's it like seeing deals happening in the room?
It's really good. It pushes you and it makes you like realise actually, yeah, I can do this. Surrounded by people that are also doing it as well. It's exciting.
Fantastic. And to someone who's thinking about getting this property, what would you say to them?
I would say do it, but make sure you're doing it with the right mentors, coaches. Do it with Samuel Leeds.